Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nashi Semata, breast oncoplasty surgeon at Aster CMI Hospital. People often say that Women's Day comes once a year, but the truth is, every single day is Women's Day. The same way, I believe that breast cancer awareness is not seasonal, it is a year-long responsibility that I have personally taken upon myself. On that note, I have collected the 6 most common myths that I've come across in clinical practice, and let's bust them together. Wearing tight bra can cause breast cancer. This is easily the most ridiculous thing that I have heard. There is not a single recorded case of breast cancer because of wearing the wrong bra. Wear what is comfortable for you, wear what is suited for you without the fear of breast cancer. Mammograms cause breast cancer. This is a new thing that's come out. I'm noticing more and more patients coming to me and asking, is me getting a mammogram also going to result in me getting breast cancer? No, that is not true. Mammogram is what helps us doctors detect disease early. If you haven't gotten your mammogram done or gifted someone you care about a mammogram, please do it as soon as possible. Only older women get breast cancer. It's true that as your age advances, the risk of cancer also increases, but tragically, the most common decade at which breast cancer is now being picked up in India is for women in their 40s, which is a decade sooner than that of the Western population. So breast cancer is not just a disease of the older women anymore. If you don't feel a lump, that means you're safe. Now, the most common symptom of breast cancer is a painless lump, but that is not the only symptom. Changes over the skin of the breast, bloody discharge from the nipple are also symptoms of breast cancer. So do not think that, okay, no lump, that means I do not need to get screening done, and ignore any other symptoms that could most probably be cancer. All breast lumps are cancer? No, I repeat again. The most common symptom of breast cancer is a painless breast lump, but all breast lumps are not breast cancer. But definitely every single breast lump needs to be checked and evaluated by a doctor, and then and only then be managed accordingly. So no lump therefore has to be ignored. At Aster International Institute of Oncology, we believe that every day is a day to educate, and knowledge is power. Awareness should not be restricted to a single month, and it is year-long.